The Science of Building Muscle, Tips and Tricks for Gym Goers. Welcome to the Science of Building Muscle, Tips and Tricks for Gym Goers. In this video, we'll explore the science behind muscle building and share tips for optimizing your gains. Muscle growth begins with resistance training, creating microscopic muscle tears that lead to muscle growth through protein synthesis. Progressive overload is key to stimulate growth. A balanced diet is crucial, with a focus on macronutrients like protein for repair and growth, and a calorie surplus to support muscle gain. Effective workout techniques, including compound exercises, proper form, and varied intensity, keep muscles challenged. Rest and recovery are equally important, allowing muscles to repair and grow. Adequate sleep and active recovery help. Supplements like protein, creatine, and BCAAs can enhance your journey but should complement a balanced diet. Avoid common mistakes like overtraining, poor nutrition, and inadequate sleep. Deloading and good recovery practices are vital. For experienced gym goers, advanced tips like periodization and muscle confusion break plateaus. In summary, grasp the science of muscle building for maximum gains. Apply these principles to your workouts, and remember to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you for watching.